Yo, what's going on guys, it's Vex here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to get the best free external that works on almost every game, including Rivals and Dahood. And with nothing else to say, let's just hop on straight how to download and use it. Okay, so the first step is to join our Discord server. The link will be in the screen now and it will be in the comments and the description. And after that you should see channels right here. So then you just click on Roblox loader and then you just download it. And now that we have the file downloaded, let's just double click on it. Click yes on the pop-up and just in a couple of seconds the loader should pop up right here. Let's just click inject. And as you guys can see, here is the GUI. We have a lot to offer, so let's just show you guys what type of features we got. So first of all, we have the combat tab, and of course we have aimbot. We can set a custom keybind and we can go from hold to toggle. We all have mouse, which puts our mouse at the enemy like this. Then we have camera mode that will put our camera into the target. Then we have free aim that will put our mouse to the target also. And then we have silent, which uses mouse spoofing that works on games, for example Hood Customs. So let me just choose mouse method. Then we have quick 360 FOV size. Let me turn that off. Smoothness, we can turn it to 8, so it's more legit like this. You won't be able to even notice it. Then we have a lot of features like legit lock, aimbot check, target hitbox, body, hit random. Then we have hitbox expander, enable prediction, for example 500. And yeah, as you guys can see, it now applies prediction and you can also mess around with it. Then we have target tracer that will just put a tracer on the target. As you guys can see, the tracer is right there. Then we have auto switch target, so if the enemy goes out of the FOV, it will just lock onto another one, just like this. Then we have team check, knock check, grab check, a lot of checks. Then we have jump lock, only lock on if the player is jumping. Then of course we have trigger bot, orbit target, and let me just show you guys it. As you guys can see, here's the orbit target. Also we have invisible tab, we have a lot to offer. We have boxes, we can turn everything to red right there. Then we have enable corner boxes, we have box glow. And yeah, then we have skeleton ESP, chance, name, health bar, we can also turn that to red. Then we have health task, then we have distance, then we have Chinese hats, then we have tracers, crosshair that we can customize however we want, like this, like so, like so, like so. Then we have show local player that will display the ESP on the local player also. Then we have radar, main color. Then we have players tab that will show the username, health, whitelist, target, spectate and teleport. So we can spectate this guy, and as you guys can see, if we whitelist them, the boxes and the health bar turns green and we can't lock onto him. And we can also teleport to him. As you guys can see, we are now right here. And yeah, then we have movement, we can no clip of course. Let me just turn that on for you guys. Like so, like so. Let me just go to the other side. Then we have fly, C-frame method, and as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. We also have velocity that I like personally more. Let me just turn on the speed a little bit more, and as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine also. Then we have bulk speed modifier with the same options, jump over modification, so you just jump higher, you know. Then we have no jump cooldown, we have anti-aim, headless, anti-stomp, free rapid fire and free cam, like so, like so. And this is really useful for games like Fallen Survival. And then we have desync with a keybind and desync visualizer. So if you go here, we put desync on, we shoot that guy and then we go back. As you guys can see, he's now dead and the players will see me right here, but if I turn it off, I'll just teleport here. So yeah, then we have configs, you know, basic config stuff. We have watermark, keybind list, Spotify widget, stream proof, ESP vsync, you know, copy cheat, Discord server and stuff like that. And yeah guys, this was the showcase. It was pretty fast because honestly I've been trying to record this for a couple of times. But yeah, anything for you guys, just wanted to make a quick video showcasing some of the features. And yeah, have a nice day, and with nothing else to say, have a nice day and bye bye.